All right. So very rarely is rewriting as simple as this. I saw this being important, but not this. This, what's highlighted here, is completely outside of what's being discussed in the evidence. So what did I think should be done? Boom. Literally, I just cut off that sentence that had nothing to do with the rest of the piece. I did identify, and I really thought that, like the example in North Minneapolis, I thought that was perfect. I thought this was a great piece of evidence that also identified the synthesis. Identifying the synthesis is really important. So that's what's so awesome about this, is that the student already had what's in here about how to synthesize. They just needed to make sure that that's all they focused on. Don't start telling me things. Synthesis. I forget an S there. Synthesis. There we go. So don't tell me stuff that the article or the evidence that you're using doesn't utilize. Instead, tell me how this piece of evidence relates up to here. And one of the ways it does that is by relating to this piece of evidence. So the synthesis here was really good. That's all that needed to be done. What I'd like you to do is now identify in your writing, did you synthesize properly? Meaning, did you use transitions or your commentary to help your reader understand how the resources or the evidence works with each other? Not the articles themselves, but the ideas from the articles. So that's what I want you to do